In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your ADT camera if it's not recording. Don't worry, these quick tips will get your security system back on track fast. First, check your camera's power source. Make sure it's properly plugged in or charged. Next, verify your internet connection is stable, since ADT cameras rely on Wi-Fi to upload recordings. Restart your router if needed. Check the storage settings. If you're using cloud storage, ensure your subscription is active. For local storage, make sure the SD card isn't full or damaged. Restart your ADT camera by unplugging it, waiting 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Also, open the ADT app and check for any error messages or alerts related to your camera. If the problem continues, try resetting the camera to factory settings and setting it up again through the app. If none of these steps work, contacting ADT support or a technician may be necessary. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more quick security system fixes.